Hello everyone, welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Soumya Agrawal and you have started watching our weekly highlights. So let's begin. On Monday, April 15th, a Kanya Pujan program was organized by the Prerna family at the Gomti Nagar Extension CMS Auditorium in Lucknow. In this, Governor Anandiben Patel first worshipped more than 2100 girls with all the rituals and then served them food. The entire hall was full of little girls. They were seen dancing to patriotic songs. The entire auditorium was filled with devotion during the Aarti of Ma Durga. On this occasion, 1100 girls of Ekal Vidyalaya also were present. Along with the Rashtriya Sangathan Prabhari of Ekal Abhiyan Madhvendra Singh Ji, senior officials from RSS were also present in the program. Moving forward, on behalf of Ekal Abhiyan on the occasion of Ram Navami, the Bhagwa Yatra was organized by Gram Swaraj Manch in Lucknow. The Bhagwa Yatra started from Kapurthala and concluded near Khatu Shyam Temple in front of Lucknow University. Thousands of city residents along with the youths of Sabri Basti participated in this Bhagwa Yatra. Moving forward, a grand temple of Lord Ram has been built in Ayodhya and Ram Lalla is seated in his palace. In such a situation, all the Ram devotees come from all over the country and abroad to Ayodhya and have darshan of Ram Lalla. Honorable Shyamji Gupt, the guardian of Ekal Abhiyan, also visited Ayodhya to worship Ram Lalla. After the darshan of Ram Lalla, Shyamji looked very emotional. Moving forward, voter awareness meeting of Division P7 concluded in Ekal Abhiyan, Jaipur Part, Zone Alwar, Savai Madhopur, Bharatpur, Karauli Division, Rajasthan. Ekal Abhiyan voter awareness meeting was first started with the lighting of a lamp and Hanuman Chalisa in front of Maa Bharati by the respected platform, which was presided over by Mr. Mukesh Ji Agarwal, in charge of Divisional Committee Village Development. In the meeting, information about the five-phased education of Ekal Abhiyan was presented in simple language and how the workers have to work on the ground was explained in detail. Moving forward, on 18th April 2024, Shri Ram Mahotsav was organized at Nagaon Rath, Nagaon Zone. Also, Kalash Yatra and Shobha Yatra were taken out through Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath Yojana. On this occasion, all the villagers were seen absorbed in the devotion of God and were seen dancing in the hymns of God. That's all for weekly highlights this week. We'll meet you next week with more updates. Till then, keep watching Ekal Bharat.